Hello fellow travelers and welcome back to Our Big's Adventure. My name is Cynthia and today we're gonna make white chocolate and Nutella fudge. I can't think of anything more decadent than Nutella and white chocolate. So if you're ready, press the like button and let's get to work.
In this shot, I'm opening a can of sweetened condensed creamer from Dollar Tree. This can is approximately 13.6 ounces and was $1. The coloring is similar to a sweetened condensed milk, but the ingredients are different.
At the Dollar Tree, I was shopping for my Great Depression grocery list, which I have over on my other channel. If you haven't checked it out, go do it. I'll leave a link in the description box down below. I got this sweetened condensed creamer. This is not milk. There's all kinds of stuff in here. There's palm oil in here. Not necessarily great for humans or the environment, but I had to give it a try for just $1. And what better way than to make fudge? I'm just gonna pour that in there. Probably need a spatula. Wow, it's really sticky like sweetened condensed milk. Next, we're gonna pour in 2 cups of white chocolate chips. We're gonna pour in 2 cups of white chocolate chip. Pour in, then you can eat the rest.
No, not into my mouth.
Not in your mouth, nope. Into the bowl. Oh, boo. There wasn't any more to eat.
Oh, look.
Oh, look.
Don't act like you're better than me. Eat them.
Oh, I'm supposed to eat them? I will eat them.
I can't believe you ate the last of them.
Oh my God. All right, we're gonna microwave this for 30 seconds and then we're gonna stir it and microwave it and stir it until it is ready to make fudge. And then we're gonna put Nutella in it. Yum.
All of the ingredients in this recipe are naturally gluten-free.
Not yet. Another 30 seconds. That's at the 1 minute mark. Every 30 seconds you take it out and just give it a little stir. Got our Nutella ready. There's 1 minute and 30 seconds. It's getting a little closer. There's the 2 minute mark. It's looking real good. Real good. Probably have another 30 seconds and then we're ready to go. Oh, 3.5 minutes. There we go, 3.5 minute mark. And it looks great. It looks ready to go. We're just warming up the Nutella a little bit so that we can put it in the mixture. Whipped the Nutella up in the mixer. We heated it and then whipped it so that it will spread. We've got our fudge mixture going. It's pretty much ready. It's got just a couple little chocolate chips that aren't quite melted yet. We've got parchment paper in our pan. That's super important because you want to be able to get the fudge back out.
While this is an easy gluten-free dessert, you definitely need to be aware that that mixture is extremely hot. It will burn you and it will stay on your fingers and continue to burn you. Take my advice, this has happened to me. Don't be another fudge statistic. Make sure you practice safety first. Here we're just putting some blobs of the Nutella into the fudge so that we can start the swirling process. It looks so pretty when it was all done and it tastes even better.
Mr. Biggs is going to use the leftover Nutella filling for his pancakes next week. So we made way too much filling, but this is a perfect use for it. Nutella and chocolate chip pancakes.
I brought this fudge to my recovery meeting and it was a complete hit. Everybody loved it and it looked super pretty on the plate too. I'll leave the recipe in the description down below.
Thanks so much for watching. Hope you got something out of the video. And if you see this at your local Dollar Tree, let me know if you pick it up and give it a try. Thank you again, and remember everybody, life is an adventure, so enjoy your journey. Bye-bye.